Welcome back to my channel. I am Tamia Ivy, and in today's video is going to be my first DIY video, my first video of me actually making something. Today I'm going to be making some stacked leggings. And I really like clothes and fashion, so I might as well. These are the pants where the leggings that I'm going to put the stacked part at the bottom. And I'm not using another pair of pants to like match up the bottom and stuff. Like I'm using a shirt. So yeah, so this shirt, it has like this at the end, so I'll be cutting this off because I'm not using this part. So y'all can see I'm only going to be using this part down, if y'all can see. So the leggings, I really don't need those right now. So the materials I will be using is my needle, which is right here. So I'm using my needle. I don't have any black thread, but you guys will not be able to see the thread anyway with how the pants will be like stacked at the end. You guys won't be able to see the thread. So I'm going to be using this gold colored thread. If y'all can see, yes, my nails is broke. I don't look, y'all can't see, but my nails broke, and yeah. And I'm using scissors. My first step is I'm going to cut the sleeves off of this shirt because I don't need nothing in my way. And these aren't no special type of scissors, they're just regular. So I'm just cutting them off regular. I'm not cutting them off in no like shape or nothing. None of that. I'm just cutting it off. I'm just cutting them off because I don't need the middle of the shirt. So yeah, this is just the sleeve of it. Now onto the part where I will actually how am I gonna do this? Let me see. So I'm just gonna take from where this is cut right here on over. I'm just gonna cut that much off. Let's start on this side. Okay, now I can throw this little piece away. I didn't want to use this side because it wouldn't look right, but then this will only be a small stack part. Matter of fact, I am going to use this part because of the simple fact of that this is not, I feel that this won't be enough to give the look that I want to give since it's like cut off right here. But I'm going to make this a little smaller. So I'm going to take off about 1.5 inches. Remind you, I'm not using any measurements. I'm just going with the flow. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other part. And I'm gonna match these up. Okay, so now I cut them off. So now the part that I cut from the shirt part, I'm going to turn this inside out like that. And I'm going to line up the thickened, like, I don't know how to explain, but the thickened part with the other thickened part on the inside of the leggings pants part. Like, I just don't know how to explain, but you guys could just watch. Can you stop? Stop, little girl. So put this over your arm. Grab the pants and pull it through. So yeah, make sure it's lined up like this, and line up the thread parts right here. And people make it seem like they have to be the same size in order to do it. You can thread anything together, honestly. And I'm just going to let some out. I'm not going to let out a lot because it confuses me. I won't lie. And I just lost my scissors. Okay, I got it. I'm going to cut thread off. This is not a tutorial on how to thread. Well, how to sew. So I'm just going to go and keep on going. So now I'm just going to start sewing. So you do it kind of like on a slant. Remember, I'm not a pro at sewing, so They're right there. And I'm not going to show you guys how it looks, but this is just it being threaded. And I'm going to do the other leg off camera because you guys seen how I did it, and I'm just going to show you guys when I'm done and how it looks. So I'm not going to finish the other pants leg right now, and I just wanted to end the video because something just came up. But I finished the first leg, and this is how it is supposed to look. And yeah, I wish I should have used another pair of leggings because it would have looked better because of this scrunchy part right here. But now it looks kind of fitted and it's kind of cute like this, and it looks better with a shoe on. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see any more videos like this, or if you guys want to see me like make the pants or whatever the case may be. But thank you all for watching this video, and this is my first time making these type of leggings, so yeah, thank you.